Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Honda Pilot maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the two buttons in the front and one in the back here. And the button in the back is pulled towards you by pressing it by pulling towards you. Okay, and we're going to be using that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, service is past due. Now go ahead and use that two button in the front and or the I button and scroll to mileage. And as you can see, the service due is blinking. But if it's not blinking, if it's on the trip A, go ahead and press the back button. Pull towards you until you find, keep pressing it until you find the service. Okay, and when you hit here, go ahead and press pull that cell select button, reset, and hold it. Pull it and hold it. Keep holding. Okay, now let go. Now go ahead and use the up and down to go to reset, and now pull it. Okay, and that's how we do it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.